Trutegra offers plating line management solutions that deliver productivity, quality, and flexibility, along with powerful data collection and user-friendly reporting tools. Trutime is a PLC-based system capable of managing all aspects of your wet process line, including crane and hoist control operation and schedule, process control, recipe database, parts database, historization of track and trace data, along with powerful reporting capabilities. Database functions in Trutime use SQL Server Express, which allows integration with existing business systems such as order scheduling and quality management. The recipe table holds general data about the recipe and all of the necessary processing steps. Minimum, nominal, and maximum time and tank specs are listed along with drip time requirements for each process tank. The parts table holds identifying information about each part, along with surface area per part. It also specifies which recipe is called for. In addition, the parts table holds specific work instructions for each process tank. Examples are the selection of a rectifier curve or a signal to turn the tank agitation on when the part arrives. The Trutime SQL Server historian logs all loads, crane activity, and all process tank history. The loads report summarizes the load data and provides processing details for every load. Process data such as tank levels and temperatures are stored in the Trutime historian. Standard reports produce track and trace data for the individual loads and process tanks. The load is a collection of parts assembled for processing on a single flight bar. The load record contains the collective surface area of all parts on the flight bar and requires that all parts call for a common recipe. The crane sequencer operates in fixed timeway mode, as well as a more adaptive and flexible mode we call Trutime. Fixed timeway control is the traditional pre-planned scheme, similar to the notes in a player piano roll. Crane moves are planned well in advance and repeat in a cycle. Since the system operates in a coordinated fashion, any single problem in the line will cause the entire multi-crane system to come to a stop. While known for their highly optimized production capability, fixed timeways are unable to handle mixed recipes or frequent adjustments. In Trutime, cranes operate independently. There is no master schedule. Instead, the control system treats the cranes and the loads in the line as intelligent objects. Loads needing transport bid against other loads in an automated auction process, raising their bids as the time and tank starts to approach the limits contained in the recipe. Cranes monitor all the loads in the space they are responsible for and select the highest bidding load for the next crane move. The destination for the move is specified by the load and comes from the recipe, which is carried by the load. Cranes constantly monitor the loads in the line and respond to requests for transport by accepting the highest bid. This system ensures that the most important move is always selected. The advantages of Trutime mode are: it does not require a planned timeway. It allows for mixed recipes. It accommodates frequent adjustments to time and tank specs which could result from chemistry changes. The actions of each crane are independent, so that a problem on crane 1 will not prevent cranes 2 and 3 from operating. This can reduce losses, since the line may be able to continue running even if one of the cranes experiences a problem. Trutime is another innovative Trutegra solution available for new or existing wet process equipment. Its strength is flexibility. With its companion SQL Server historian, it provides all aspects of control for the entire line in a robust and feature-rich package. Contact Trutegra to learn more about Trutime Wet Process Control.